Hi, this is Dr. Melissa Gracious, and today's organizing solution is about the Franklin Planner, the classic paper day-at-a-glance planner that most of us have been exposed to or used at some point in our career. I'm going to give my honest opinion of the Franklin, and I'm one of those people who used it. I used it for 7 years, I started using it 15 years ago, so I haven't used it in several years, and there's a reason why. Now, I'm a professional organizer for business people, and I go out and I help people improve their time management skills every day. And I do come across people that are successfully using a Franklin Planner. But I have to be honest with you, more often than not, they're forcing an old system on to modern work, and there's some disconnect there. So first, let me describe what the Franklin system is about and why I think it's failing a lot of my clients, and then talk about what the essentials of a good system to help you manage your time in today's workforce. Alright, so first of all, the Franklin system is a paper-based planner that has a daily pages. On one side you have your calendar and your to-do list, and on the other side you keep notes. The part of the Franklin that bothers me, that I think makes it tedious or cumbersome, is that any tasks that are not done one day are transferred forward for other days. And a lot of my clients, where they're really getting frustrated and spending a lot of time managing their planner, is in that transfer process. Additionally, the Franklin, you have to create a separate master list in Franklin. Otherwise, you're flipping through your daily pages to find your master list of tasks. And there are folks that have, 50 to 60 plus items on their to-do list, and you really need to have, I believe, a master task list easily accessible and very easily updated as your priorities change. Also, I have clients who are receiving upwards of 150 to 200 email messages a day, and for those types of folks, they've got to have a system that integrates with their email. Otherwise, they're spending the majority of their time transferring things, from email to handwritten to-do items rather than just dragging and dropping, which is, a feature of a lot of electronic time management tasks. So with Franklin, the transferring bothers me, and the lack of an easily accessible master task list bothers me as well. But the alternatives. First of all, I think if you're receiving a lot of email, there's just not a paper methodology that's going to be good for you. I do recommend you consider an electronic time management tool. And in my December newsletter, I'll be reviewing time management tools that come electronically. And so you need to evaluate that. But if you like paper-based tools, try a couple of them out, download some samples, see what they look like, see how they feel for you, see if it's realistic. If you're using a Franklin and you find that all you're really doing is transferring tasks every day, then it's probably not the best one for you. So if you are struggling with your Franklin, be critical of it. It may have worked for you in the past like it worked for me, but look at it with a critical eye. We're nearing year end. It's time to reevaluate your planner systems. If you'd like my advice on specific ones with features, you can subscribe to my newsletter at www.mbgorganizing.com. And this is Melissa Gracious with MBG Organizing Solutions. You can reach me online, or you may shoot me an email at melissa@mbgorganizing.com. Have a great day.